Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin a post on Twitter. So the first thing to do is just to follow these simple steps. So first, you go to your profile and log in into your Twitter account. And after that, we will need to have some posts that we will need to pin on our profile. So basically, something that you need to know is that you cannot pin other people posts, but you can pin only your posts, of course. So the first thing to do is that we need to have some posts. So to post anything, you need just to click here on this blue button and click on post, and here you can post anything. So post anything, and basically you can add images or add other posts. You can embed some media like a video, URLs. You can add a poll as a vote, some emojis. You can also add a time and a location for a media or picture, etc. And here you can add some permission who can reply. And basically after that you need just to click on post, and as you can see, we can find our post here on our feed. After that, we will find this 3 points icon. We click here and we will find this little menu. And basically, we will find the pin to your profile. By clicking here, we will highlight or just pin. So basically, we will need just to pin this post on our profile. And basically, we will have it here every time we go to profile. We will find this post that will be pinned. So we need just to wait for that to load so we can see our posts, and we will find that our pinned profile, our pinned post that will be displayed at the top. So basically, whenever you go to your profile, you will have the posts that you have pinned are the first one. So basically, this is how you can pin a post on Twitter. Thank you for watching and see you on new tutorials.